Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be another white build and the price for the PC is 5 lakh rupees. Yes, including monitor. The monitor which we have selected is a very nice monitor from BenQ and it's for 1,28,000 rupees. We are going with multiple storage. I'll be taking you through all the components which we're gonna use in this build. All the product links are mentioned in the description box below. The Amazon and our website, both the links are there, so make sure to check the latest price because the prices are going crazy right now, and if in case the price goes down, the links are better to check the latest prices. Let me tell you why are we going with so many SSDs. This is 870 EVO 4TB. We will not be using regular hard drive. Instead of regular hard drive, we're going with this option, which is 870 EVO, and that's 4TB. Customer has bought 860, but we have given a free upgrade to 870. 870 is a newer model. It's 5,000 rupees more, but yeah, a small upgrade, he deserves it. So 870 EVO 4TB is what we're gonna use for a regular storage. The primary SSD is WD Black SN850. This is 1TB, has got 7,000 read speed and 5300 write speed, which is more than the Samsung A980 Pro. Let me tell you that also. We are also adding another 1 TB, so we will be utilizing 2 M.2. The primary would be the WD Black, the secondary would be 980 Pro. This is 980 Pro, has 7,000 read speed, but the write is 5,000. So yeah, this is pretty much what we have today for the storage. About the case, I would really like to mention this case has got really detail. It's so well finished. Trust me, 4000X has exceeded my expectation. The finishing which you see here in the 4000X at a price around 10,000, 11,000 rupees, I believe the price is, and according to that, this case has really nice finishing, a top-notch quality, I would say. This is the cabinet I would like to keep for myself also, if in case I'm planning a build for myself. So this is a really nice one. Do consider this if in case you have budget around 10,000 rupees. And for the processor, we are going with the Ryzen 9 5950X, one of the top processor available in the market. And along with that, yeah, this is all about. Let's go to the detailed information. What are we using? So let's begin with the PC parts for this 5 lakh rupees build. For the case, we have got Corsair 4000X. This is white in color and this is one of my favorite cabinet, around 10,000 rupees. For the motherboard, we have got Asus ROG Strix X570 Gaming. This does come with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I have selected ROG and Asus motherboard because the cabinet has got IQ RGB system and Asus does support that system. This is one of the best X570 motherboard you can get around 30,000 rupees. For the processor, we are going with Ryzen 9 5950X. This is top of the top processor in Ryzen series, and this is what we're gonna use for this build. And for the storage, as I have already mentioned, it would be 3 SSDs. The primary will be the WD Black SN850. Really great read and write speed. The secondary will be close to Black, but the write speed is slightly lower than the WD Black 850. This is 980 Pro and this is also 1 TB. And the third storage we have got is from Samsung 870 EVO. This is 4TB for additional storage. We will not be using any traditional hard drives. For the RAM, we are going with G.Skill Trident Z Neo RAM. This is 32x2. So we are using only 2 sticks for now. That is 3600 MHz, and we will be keeping 2 RAM slot empty for future upgrade for another 64 GB. So yeah, this is for RAM. For the graphic card, we are going with Zotac Gaming. This is Twin Edge OC edition and this is white in color. This does come with 2-year extended warranty if in case you register on Zotac website by uploading our invoice. So yeah, this is what we are gonna use for this PC. And these are cables from Andy Sports. This is sleeved cable, mod cables, black and white, and this will definitely look better with this black and white PC build theme. For the power supply, we are going with RM850. RM850 is not really required with 3070, but in future, we are giving room to increase the GPU in future. So Corsair is top of the top brand in power supply. We're going with RM850. This is Gold Series power supply, and this is what we're gonna use for this build. And this is 360 millimeter white liquid cooler. This is Deep Cool Castle EX 360 white, and this is in white color, 360 millimeter. Although we will not be doing overclock right now, and if in case it requires, this can do the job perfectly well. And for the monitor, we have got this BenQ SW271C monitor. This is 1,28,000 rupees. This is for those who really wanted a monitor for their professional work, maybe editing, photo editing, and something they really need to see the real picture. So yeah, this is really nice monitor. If in case you can afford it, go for it. This is best of the best monitor available in the market. And yeah, we will be shipping this monitor. We will not be doing unboxing here in this video, because let the customer open the box and let him feel the 1,28,000 monitor unboxing. So yeah, that's about it. Let's begin with the PC build now.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
with the PC build. This is looking absolutely gorgeous. White, black, red combination is amazing. Now things I have to tell you, we haven't changed the RGB fans here or the top. What we did, we kept it non-RGB because customer preference was is you're gonna turn that also off. So what we have done, the fan which comes with the cooler, we have mounted on the upward tour and one here in the rear. So one here, two on the top, and the case fan was used as it is with the cooler. The customer is gonna turn off the RGB, so we have not added any more RGB fans here. He wants simple, beautiful and elegant look of his PC. And I'm pretty much sure he'll be very happy with the PC, the way I am happy building it. And this is one of my favorite builds, I would say. Love the components, love the cabinet, everything is top notch, and this is what we have for today. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you have liked it. And if in case you have liked it, do subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. Both Amazon and our website links are given there, so you can go ahead and check the live price. The price for the PC is 5 lakh rupees, and for the latest price, links are there. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.